Some Zazzle tags can get your product pulled, even when the design itself is completely original. Here's the rule sellers miss. Zazzle's own content guidelines prohibit brand names, trademarks, and celebrity names anywhere in your listing, including tags, even as a casual reference. It's an easy slip. A tag naming a sports team or a celebrity feels harmless, but it's exactly what triggers a content review. Compare these. Team names, celebrity names, and brand names are flagged risks. Style, color, motif, and occasion words describe your design without naming anyone else's. Before you publish, check every tag against one question. Does it name a real brand, trademark, or person? If yes, describe the look instead, not the name. Content Optimizer Pro generates structured tag suggestions straight from your own listing, but every tag stays yours to review before it goes live. Content Optimizer Pro, start free.